Hello, my name is Ryan Arthur, and joining me today are my dad,
Hello.
my mom,
Hello.
my aunt Nisi,
Hi.
and my cousin Austin.
Hello.
And I'm here today to inform you about the benefits of recycling. But what is recycling? Have you ever wondered why experts say recycling is important? Or have you ever wondered what are the benefits of recycling? Well, I'm here today to tell you about that. But first, what is recycling? Recycling, as defined by Asmatalu and Asmatalu, is a series of activities collecting recyclable materials, often considered waste, to help minimize waste and help the environment. Now you're wondering, what materials are considered waste and recyclable? Things like plastics, glass, various metals, concrete, paper, and many different chemicals. Now, why is waste minimization important? It can even go as far to the industrial level, in which they have to recycle and reuse metals and various chemicals, because if these metals and chemicals get out into the environment, they harm the soil and water supply. And harming the soil and water supply limits our agricultural produce and thus is harmful to humans as well. So as you can see, there's one benefit of recycling: preventing waste materials from getting into the environment. Let's talk more about using water recycling. Now, the amount of water is not infinite. There's actually only 1% of liquid fresh water that we can use as usual drinking and producing agriculture water. So we have to make sure that we limit the amount of contaminants in the water. But unfortunately, that hasn't happened, as the industrialization of the human race has kind of impacted the natural water cycle, and thus even more so limited the amount of usable water we have in the world. Anderson pointed out in his articles various cities and countries that have decided to recycle and reuse water to help regain agriculture or just help remake the natural system of water flow. For example, Mexico City, 90% of their water is recycled water used to irrigate the soil, and in doing so, they've increased yields of their crops by over 90% and have restored their streams and freshwater sources. But now, I'm sure you're wondering, how is recycling good for you, the individual? And now I'll tell you about two studies done, one by Ianu et al., which they found that household recycling produced satisfaction because people felt they were being efficient in their households. And D. Young found the same thing with his questionnaire over a 7-year period, and both found that people didn't recycle out of peer pressure, but just to be efficient. So, I hope that you've learned the 3 major benefits of recycling to the environment, a specific use of water recycling, and a benefit to yourself psychologically. Thank you.